My favorite type of vacation. Vacations are a great way to relax, have fun, and explore new places. When it comes to vacations, my favorite type is a beach vacation. There is something about the sun, sand, and sea that brings me immense joy and contentment. One of the reasons why I love beach vacations is the feeling of tranquility they offer. When I am sitting on a beach chair, feeling the warmth of the sun on my skin, and listening to the gentle sound of waves crashing on the shore, I can't help but feel a sense of peace and serenity. It's as if all my worries and stresses melt away, and I am able to fully unwind and be in the present moment. Another aspect of beach vacations that I adore is the opportunity for outdoor activities. Whether it's swimming, snorkeling, or building sandcastles, there is always something fun to do at the beach. I love the feeling of cool water against my skin as I swim and the thrill of discovering colorful fish and coral reefs while snorkeling. And let's not forget the joy of building sandcastles with my family and friends, using nothing but buckets and shovels. These activities not only bring me happiness, but they also provide a great way to bond with loved ones and create lasting memories. One of the best parts of beach vacations is the breathtaking natural beauty that surrounds me. The crystal clear turquoise waters, the soft white sand, and the vibrant shades of green from palm trees create a picturesque scene that is simply mesmerizing. I enjoy taking long walks along the shoreline, feeling the sand between my toes, and taking in the stunning views. The beauty of nature never fails to amaze me, and being able to witness it firsthand during a beach vacation is truly a gift. Aside from the natural beauty, beach vacations also offer a chance to indulge in delicious food. Whether it's fresh seafood, tropical fruits, or refreshing cocktails, beach destinations often have a wide variety of culinary delights to satisfy any palate. I love trying new flavors and experiencing the local cuisine, and beach vacations provide the perfect opportunity to do just that. From beachside cafes to fancy restaurants, there is always something delicious waiting to be discovered. Lastly, beach vacations allow me to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with myself and the people around me. With the constant presence of smartphones and social media in our lives, it's easy to get caught up in the virtual world and forget to live in the present. However, when I am at the beach, I find it easier to switch off from technology and focus on enjoying the simple pleasures in life. Whether it's reading a book, playing beach volleyball, or simply having a conversation with a loved one, I feel more connected and engaged in the moment. In conclusion, beach vacations are my favorite type of vacation due to the tranquility, outdoor activities, natural beauty, delicious food, and opportunity for connection they provide. The beach is a place where I can truly relax, have fun, and appreciate the wonders of the world around me. It is a place where I can create cherished memories and find inner peace. For me, there is no better way to spend a vacation than by the sea.